Textbook bull flag right there. City lights. Oh, excuse me. Good morning, yes. Debating if I want to do like two cons with my Take Profit Trader Pro account.
Saying that yesterday.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I'll try it. I will try it. No Raven? I don't know. I have no idea. Normally she's first. City lights. Trying to get above this VWAP right here. VWAP. Sus. Super sus. God, I need another monitor so bad.
For what?
Just charts. What the fuck? Alright, everything goes. Awesome. Sucks. ripping higher here.
Order order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. Up 200. Come on, bad boy. That's oh, it's that easy, baby. Just gotta do that. I couldn't do that all yesterday when I had fucking failure. City lights. God. Some days I can just tell I'm antsy. Or not antsy, but I don't know. I just feel different. Like sometimes I get in trades,
Antsy.
I'm calm, cool, and collected. And other times my fucking I'm still remaining calm, but my fucking chest just beats. I don't know why. Why is it not letting me sign it? Trading with broker, multiple tabs.
Superstar? Top fans? What
What's
is that?
What?
He has like a #1 crown? Is that just because she's is that a new thing?
Try to get that too. Yeah, like it's not all the time. Yes, it's just. Oh yeah, what is that?
Is it a new YouTube thing where you get like, the more you're in it, that you can see, it's like a leaderboard?
I don't know. Can you see that, ES? Did you do that?
I didn't do shit.
No, no. Did ES do that? I'm saying.
Is he a mod?
No. Top fans and XP. What's the leaderboard? A place for fans. What is it? A place for fans to stand out in the community. The top 3 get special badges on live chat. It resets every stream, so you can always try again. How do you get on the leaderboard? You'll need to collect experience points or XP. Here's how you get them. Send live chat messages. Send super chats and super stickers. I don't know. It must be some new thing. I didn't do anything.
New YouTube thing.
What's the flip? Good morning, Raven. Why am I second? Because you're a loser. ES is better than you, clearly. He's #1. Damn, you already hit a trade, eh? Yep, just got this long off this breakout. I know, eh?
That trade, eh?
He said it. City nights. Yep. You're always first as well. I know she is. But one day, it must be a new update or something. I don't know. Hello? The fuck? What is the issue here? Technical difficulties. I was in Pat's stream. Feels bad. I understand. I'd be in Pat's stream too.
I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah, Johnny's going to Pat's stream too. That's why he's leaving.
What?
Nothing.
No, I gotta go. I drank coffee.
I gotta shit my pants. Dude, why won't let me sign in? What the fucking... What is happening? Why, SpongeBob? Why? I guess it doesn't fucking matter. What? How is he doing over there? Did he already make $1 million like he always does? He's like, I'm trying to be a version of him, realistically, like trading wise. He just fucking, he's a beast. Guy just got like a $350,000 payout or something like that from Apex. I'm pretty sure. In one account, because he fucking 3x the account, or what? It was a 150K account. He was going long, but he beat. Oh my god, dude! Literally, I out trade that man every day of the week. City Light, 81 to 93. I don't really be trading with him because there's a lag. Oh well, his signal is too late. You don't want to be taking other people's signals though, anyways. You know what I mean? I feel like it's not conducive for the long run. Like I used to watch him, and then like I would mute. Like I'd watch his like pre-market analysis and shit, and then I'd like mute him, and I wouldn't watch him during because I didn't want the input. And then I'd like go back after and see like if I was thinking anything that he thought. It's like if you can't do it on your own, it's like Pat's not gonna stream for fucking ever, and I don't want to just sit there and take signals off of him. But he basically tells you he doesn't really show a lot, but like even he'll basically just be like, well, if we get back above the 705s, I'm gonna be looking to get long here, and then like even if it's delayed, like technically you can still just get in, and like a lot of times he'll just like use his intuition to get in earlier if he thinks it's gonna go. ES is still yet to break out of above the VWAP, and Q's above it now. Right, people just like that confirmation. Yeah, they want to know. Yeah, exactly. Like, oh, Pat, he's a fucking millionaire from this shit. Like, clearly, if he says it, all right, then yeah, I can double down on it or whatever. That's like, yeah, that's their confluence. No confluences. City lights, lover's choice. Waste with minimum waste, maximum joy. City light. Okay, let's see. What do we got? Yeah, really. I think if we push up here, we might at least go see high. Yes, just looking weaker. Are markets open tomorrow? I don't know. They're definitely open. I just don't know if it's a half day or not. I don't think so. I think it's just full. I think it's full open, and then probably Friday's like a half day. Yeah, damn, we are going up. Yeah, I thought we were gonna go test that. What would that be? If we got in like here at these 93s to 7. Probably get over there. Damn. Okay. Yep. Oh, fuck me. Not gonna lie, I feel like we might be consolidating. We got 0 news. I hope not, but Let's see. I started doing my LLC yesterday. I just got reminded because I just got a text. We submitted your LLC to the state on July 2nd as per information order. We'll let you know when we have any updates. So that's exciting. Trying to, start to get the tax shit under control. This will be the first year I actually make some money. Because I want to start using it for like some sort of tax benefit because like realistically I'm like, well, I want to get one anyways just because I know I should, because it's like last year I didn't even file because I like barely made anything, and I was like, fuck it, the IRS can come fucking get me if they want my money, which like I get audited, I have to pay a penalty, and then whatever, I'll pay like the fucking $1,000 I'll owe in fucking tax. Like I don't really care. So then I made probably like fucking 10K. I don't even know if it was that much after like expenses. But this year I'm actually gonna make stuff, so I've been trying to figure out like what I want to do, whether it was like sole proprietor or zero shot. You get out. That's the thing. It's like they got fucking bigger fish to fry. If they want to fucking come get me for $1,000 and I have to pay a $50 fee, like so be it. I wasn't filing last year, stupid. But this year, like I know I'm gonna be making, like realistically, I've already made enough where they're probably gonna come for me. Yeah. Do you have LLC, Raven? You need to make monkey money even to have a chance. And that's actually not true. My buddy got audited, which was from working at like Market Basket, or Market Basket's like a grocery store when he was in college. For some reason, I don't even know why. Even that's they really can't go after anybody, but I'm just like, I'll fucking roll the dice. I don't give a shit enough. If they're coming after my fucking money, then that's clearly we're in a bad state in America. No, but yeah, so I was looking at like LLC, sole proprietor, like S Corp, and from my understanding, oh, do I have to say this is not tax advice or something like that? Uh-oh. I'm gonna get sued when you guys try to follow my plan. But from what I saw, sole proprietor is kind of useless. Like sole proprietor, you would make like if you're really concerned about taxes, if you want to be like a good noodle fucking Samaritan and make sure like if you make $1, you fucking get taxed on it. I'm suing right now, but like it said like basically around for where I made, like if you make like anywhere from like 20 to 30K and it's starting to become like less of like a side hustle, then like and you have like faith in it and like future plans for it, get an LLC, and then if you make like 70, 80K plus, then just turn it into an S Corp so that way you can pay yourself. So that's so I've been doing that shit yesterday. It's a little confusing. I don't like this is what I was telling Johnny and like my mom a little bit. It's just like there's nothing to like there's nobody to teach you anything. It's literally like what we do, everything you learn, regardless of like how to set up brokers or how to do this or how to do anything, it's literally just like, well, let's watch some YouTube and ask ChatGPT and let's figure it out. Like, it really is the case. So like you're just sitting there, I'm like, I don't know what any of this shit means, and then they start talking about like fucking random tax articles and shit, and I'm like, I don't fucking know. And then I'm just like, well, I'm just gonna figure it out as I go. Just go to Switzerland, get a bank account from there, put your money there, and the government will never know. Yeah, that's like the hardest bank account to get, right? For some reason, a Swiss bank is like the most important. They're legally not allowed to snitch, really? Wow. Good to know.
Order filled.
See, I think we get a pop here. Ooh.
Order filled.
Just get back in if it goes up. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Maybe I jumped the gun a little bit on it. I knew it should have put waiting for the bottom wick. I knew it. And all my critics, Nvidia's starting to push up above. The view up in the EMA. ES is trying to use the pivot point as support. NQ bouncing off the 15-minute range. I think we go higher here, but we'll see.
Order filled.
Nvidia's pulling back. I don't like it. Don't go here.
Stop filled.
Yeah.
I think didn't want to go. I got in pretty much the same thing you did.
Yeah.
But I took a little loss on it.
I mean, I'm still up, but I took that one was like straight break even. The other one I took a loss on. I'll try to get down on the push up before it. I'm probably jumped the gun a little bit on it, but. Just don't know when. I took out the momentum. It's not really there. Yeah, we took the same trade. Although, yeah, the trade I lost on. Nice, good job, Raven. We took the same one. I don't let me be your confirmation. I'm not like Pat. Go watch Pat, and then you'll feel good when you take the same trade as him. Not when you take the same trade as me. But realistically, 21's up there to the 26's, 27's. 6 points. She's just hesitating. She's getting tight. ES is getting tight. City lights. Lover boy. We're moving mace with minimum waste. Maximum joy. I didn't even know you were in. I was already on the trade and I heard you buy. Oh, shit. There we go. Who's getting tight? Not your fucking mother, dude. She's loose as can be. Sorry, you're my number one fan, too. Based on whatever this is. I'm sorry. He fucking lobbed it up. I had to. City lights. I should have one fan. Lover's choice. Oh! What's my Take Profit Pro account at? $170 profits. That's what I want. I want my money back in Take Profit Trader. I spent too much money to not get a payout with them. They're the only prop firm that's made money off of me so far because I've yet to receive a payout. So I'm coming for them. City lights, lovers' choice. If I play any music, am I gonna get copyrighted again or whatever it is? Even though I don't have ads or anything or monetize, I still get copyrighted. What do I have to type in? Non-copyrighted music? Is that what you gotta do? Non-copyright music. Like, how do I? Whoa, 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 whoa! Hold your horses. Let me pay attention here. What the fuck was that? Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that candle? Why is your trading view so gay? You're constantly having problems. It's a nice bull flag on ES. This would be like the trap that just happened. And then go. Up 1K on my phone futures. Watch me blow it all tomorrow. Did you end up buying a MyFin Futures account yesterday? Or today? Or whatever, after we talked about it? Maximum joy. That's all I need there. Oh, look at that. I should be an ambassador. Look at the sales I bring to MyFin Futures. One. Where's my commission? Maybe wrong, but I just don't see much volume right now. I only managed to get 5 points from that other trade. I mean, the VIX is higher than it has been for most of the past couple days. City lights. Oh, you gotta be fucking me.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Why?
Bought in, and then it fucking spiked up, and now it's gonna. It needed to come back for fucking no reason, and then now it's gonna break the highs. Oh my god, what is that? 18, so it's fucking 20 points. Oh my fucking god.
If I try to do 2 trades on something, I just at that point I don't want to try to keep buying the same thing. I'm just wait for it to break through and then look for another setup.
Well, I bought like the breakthrough of like the 10 o'clock candle, like the 9:59, 10, like those highs. So I bought when it broke above those, and then it spiked up to like 27, then came back down to like 20, and then I got out, and then it went back from the 20s up to the 37s. Oh my lord. Unlucky. It's alright. Oh, sorry, Elton, I was muted. Whenever somebody comes downstairs, because I live at home with my mom, because I'm a loser, then I just shut my camera off and mute, so. That's why. Is that second mic from Discord or your computer? Second mic? What does that mean? We're right at a pivot point right here on the Q. $1,100 USD. GG's. Good job, ES. Oops. ES is fucking pushing higher. Yeah, conversation leaked. Me and ES still heard you when you were muted. Maybe you heard me through Johnny's mic through Discord. I don't know. Johnny need to get that fixed. I
Yeah,
could be
what
wrong.
fix? I don't think it's me.
Johnny needs a pay raise? You're fucking right. You think we're making any money in this fucking bitch? What does Johnny do? I think you don't even know he's there half the time.
Dude, what do you mean? They talk about me more than they talk about you.
Yeah, fucking right. Yeah, they're like, "Where's Johnny?" I'm like, "Oh no, he's here. He's just fucking useless."
Yeah.
Who's
Because they
he?
want to talk to me more than they want to talk to you.
Yeah, because you're so interesting with all the information that you give them. Johnny's such a loser. He doesn't even have a car right now. He drives his daddy's truck or his mom's electric bike around. Yeah, shut the fuck up.
I do have a car, technically.
Yeah, that your fucking gram give you that you don't have the title to, and now you can't insure.
Yeah, but it's still
Yeah,
technically
see.
mine.
Yeah. No, it's not. It's technically your grandmother's. Based on the title. Who's gonna clean the apartment? Mike or Johnny? Fucking. Definitely not me.
Again.
Definitely fucking Johnny.
Again. Call
He's the
Mike's
fucking
mom
bitch.
over to clean
Oh,
my
yeah?
apartment.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna call your mother over to fucking suck my dick.
I'm reporting you to YouTube. I hope you get banned.
I don't even think that's possible.
I'm gonna say you say racist things to me.
I do, but that's not a reason to get banned.
I'm not surprised.
He insulted my mother. Oh, Christ.
The thing is, I could never have your mom clean any house because
No,
you
yeah,
always
my
send me
mom-
pictures
yeah,
of your house.
No. Not at all. Not at all.
No, that's why you get a freaking girlfriend. You just get a girlfriend to come over and freaking.
Yeah, and then
Your
just
apartment
leave
clean.
right after.
Yeah,
Clean my house and
Hey, can you come
go
over and just
home.
clean my apartment and then go home?
I'm sure that would bodes well. I'm gonna call some Indians too. No shot I'm gonna have an Indian in my house ever. I think it just gets dirty just from them walking in. I see what you mean with the racist comments now. Same Jenny mispronounced my gender. God. I assumed. To be fair, I think there's like 4 females on the face of the planet who trade. I swear, every like dinky pullback fucking goes, and then every big pullback has to fake you out before it goes. It's like, oh, actually, like some pullback. Oh, we're gonna go. Oh, wait, no, never mind. We're gonna wait, and then we're gonna go. Oh, low pullback, go. Oh, low pullback, go. Raven, our Nubian queen. Nubian? What is a Nubian? How do people play music? Without getting like banned or like in trouble from YouTube. Last time I played music, I think I got fucking my stream shut down. I hate those new market conditions. Yeah, like, see, again, it's just like fucking break the thing and then just go. And then, like, you have a tiny pullback, break the thing, go, and then. Non copyright? Don't hate them, adapt. That was so inspirational. Yeah, but, like, people play, like, regular songs and don't get banned, though. Like, how do you know what song's copyrighted music and what song's not? Royal royalty free noob. DJ, I lost 36K of fake money. No, I'm kidding. I don't know if it's real or not, but I mean, does he have a unit of risk, like a set amount that he risks, or that he's okay losing or not losing? I have no idea. I feel like some days he's like, I lost 20K, and then somehow he makes like a 1 to 2, and he's like, I made $400,000. And you're like, did you risk 200K on that trade? I don't understand.
Who's this?
I gotta go to some trash ass team events from work. That sounds like a hoot. Have fun. Peace out. Like, how do you know what songs are copyrighted songs and what songs aren't copyrighted songs? Johnson, I think he trades using Forex, so instead of NQ, he trades NAS 100. That just like makes me not trust it. Why would you trade the Forex version of NQ? Like, so you could have worse spreads, worse commission, or not commission, worse spreads, unregulated, worse leverage. It just doesn't make any sense. This is non-copyrighted house music. Okay, that's loud. There we go. Is that the pullback? This is what I'm talking about. Like, Forex makes no sense. Actually, who did I just see? Like, Nick Sean is switching off of Forex into futures because he hates dealing with the brokers and shit. He said his first, like, unprofitable years in, like, 7 years or something like that. And he says, like, the brokers just fuck him. Some shit I'd listen to in a public lobby. I don't know what that means, like a public lobby of... When I think public lobby, I think of like COD. You mean like a public lobby of like a hotel lobby? I like it. Well, like it for like 2 more minutes and then I'm gonna get fucking banned for some reason. Like, I don't understand it. I don't understand the policy. Yeah, hotel lobby. COD lobby is hell. Yeah, COD lobby. Imagine actually liking video games as a woman. Because any lobby you join of online multiplayer, you just get absolutely shut the fuck up, bitch. Like, oh, it's comedy. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. There's your little pullback, and we're gonna go. Like, this is the price action we basically had yesterday. only to the downside. I feel like, right? Like just kind of
I
like
could
a
see
bleed
everyone-
higher or bleed lower.
I was gonna say, I could see everyone being mean to you in a COD lobby because you're a woman.
Oh, here we go. Now we get Johnny talking. We start talking about video games. This is Johnny's time to shine.
That was barely even about video games. It's more about just saying she's a woman.
Yeah, literally, that's how it goes. I mean, even like CS:GO. I feel like it's a little bit more normal in CS:GO. Or like, I
Dude,
feel
we've
like on
literally
PC
kicked people before. We've kicked girls because they're like, "Is there a girl on our team?" Kick.
Have we?
Yeah.
Yeah, but she was probably being a bitch, you know.
That may make sense.
I don't think so.
She probably wouldn't
Really?
listen, and then we just kicked her.
I feel like not. I feel like it's more normal for like. I feel like if you were ever on Xbox and heard a girl, you'd be like they would just get hazed. I feel like you don't get hazed as much on like Steam or like PC. I feel like it's way more common. Like I feel like even when we played Overwatch, a lot of times, I feel like
Yeah,
Overwatch
but
is a game
because
that a lot
you
of
want
girls
them to
play.
just sit there because they can't aim or do anything. So you want them to just hold left click with Mercy and heal me. Follow me
Oh,
around because that's
boy.
what women do.
Oh boy, you misogynist.
They're only good in supportive roles. Cooking,
boy.
cleaning, and healing.
Yeah. Oh no. Let's see what Andrew Tate's done to society. He's ruined it. Yeah, this price action is getting a little gay. Oops. The song ends. It's awkward. Yeah, you know, I like Andrew. I like Andrew too.
That's because I feel like girls in other countries that aren't America actually have an idea of like
Well, she
the
lives in
basic constructs
Miami.
of male roles and female roles. But girls in America just are like, what do you
Delusional.
mean the guy can't treat me with 100% respect and I have to do nothing and he has to do everything for me? I want that. It's like,
We got the highs over at 781. Like, the whole time he was getting big, I just didn't even think he said anything that was that crazy. Like, he had said stuff, and people were like, it's so controversial and so this. And I'm like, dude, I've said this stuff before. Like, I felt like it wasn't
Yeah.
even that original of ideas. He just, like, had more balls than most people, because, like, in, like, the culture of being, like, politically correct, he just, like, didn't care as much. But it's not like he said anything that was like, oh my god, that was... Nobody's ever thought of that before. It was so insightful. Like,
there's been
and then he
some
just says
things-
it, and then he just says it to instigate, because like he knows like that's like the best way to like garner attention. So like he'll say something just like with like an insult in it that like might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but the point is still true, and then like people just get upset with it.
Well, I think some of the things he's actually made some good points. Like, I thought most of the things he's already thought though. But like, I remember a couple things where I'm like, oh, I actually like didn't even think about it that way. But I just think it makes so much more sense to him because he is like, he's rich and he is like a fucking alpha male, and so he's like the best person to go out and talk about it and actually try to spread the.
She said, I don't need a guy, but their house is built by man, they get their car fixed by a man. Yeah, just a lot of hypocrisy, yeah. I don't think he said anything bad to women, he just prioritized women and they got mad. Well, that's the thing, like, women are like, Because women think freedom is like whoring themselves out. That's like, I mean, what? That's like the oldest job in fucking human history is like prostitution or whatever. Like, and that's what you see now. Like, girls get like freedom, and now they all just go on OnlyFans and show their butthole. And it's like, I don't know. Like, they have, like, he has more respect for them than they have for themselves. They're just too dumb to realize it, most of them, I swear.
I mean, we literally say it. Like we were just talking about it at the freaking gym. Like I'm like, dude, some of these girls at the gym, you are literally just walking around in your underwear. It is insane.
Yeah.
It's like
you go and I literally sit there and I'm like, man, I pray to God I don't have a daughter. I swear, because it's just criminal, the outfits that people wear. This is gonna go right here. Oh my God.
Like there's no imagination anymore. It's literally like, okay, I don't have to think about or like guess what your butt looks like. I can literally just see your freaking yoga pants straight up your butthole. It's like,
Oh God. We're gonna go right here. We climb higher and higher. This background music just makes this conversation 10 times better.
what's your background?
I don't even know. Some sort of like, it's like some relaxed house music.
He's playing freaking club music. Oh,
This place in the face of the planet at fucking 9 o'clock in the morning. It's so cool. It's awesome.
that your freaking parents are gonna get a job.
Well, it's my dad's day off, and my mom doesn't work till later, so.
Ugh.
Alright, this song is killing my vibes. I don't even know which one this one is. How do you tell which one it's on?
Famous around the world, Mr. Fantastic.
No, now I click and now there's an ad. So weird when market goes up, it's chilling, but when market dumps, everyone panics. Like yesterday, it just kept going down and down and down and down. Were people panicking? This is what I mean. Fucking hell. Ripped. I think we just took out London highs now, yeah. Holy ES is fucking spiked this shit down as well. That's what I'm talking, like, I just get, like, when it trends this hard and, like, this, like, the pullbacks are so small, I only like to get in early. This is the same exact thing that happened yesterday. It's like, yeah, Nvidia? Yeah, no, Nvidia's fucking ripping up 1.6%. I mean, it dumped yesterday, so it makes sense that it's gonna reverse, but, yeah, she's going. But yeah, it's like, yesterday I did the same thing, like, I'm like, I get more hesitant to trade, and then, like, I took a trade at, like, 10.50, and then ended up red on the day, but it's like, the same thing. It's like, I made money here, right at the beginning, and then like I'm not afraid to enter on this stuff because we're still early. And then I mean, I got chopped up a little bit there, made a little bit there, but it's like, and then like you just get to these, and then I just don't want to get in because I just feel like we're due for at least a retreat, like not a reversal, but at least like a retracement back into this at some point or something, like, and then get to go higher. But like, it's like I don't want to get in up here on this, and then it's gonna form another one up here, and then it'll probably fucking keep going higher because it just can. Got 30 points on a 28 trade win streak. 28? You must be getting some payouts then, I would assume, right? Jesus Christ, that's insane.
Ooh.
What?
At the end of July, if Verstappen isn't in the top 3 for championship points, he can leave Red Bull. It's like a clause in his contract. And there's reports that he's going to Mercedes.
Well, you've been telling me about the win streak on Discord. Honestly, send me your signals. This guy's a wizard. Have you been getting payouts, FFs? Or are you trading live account? I don't know. Oh, God. Like, what do you do with this? What's Pat doing?
You must be up fucking a
It's red on the
ton of money.
Oh, he's looking at Top Step. Top Step. The house account is down $400, which means they've probably been trying to short all day because that's what they do. Or plus volume, range, profile, OP. I have live as well as props. Have you been getting payouts in your props then? If you've won 28 fucking trades in a row, I would have to think. I heard
Oops,
Top
where-
Step
where
is
is it going?
Top Step and Tradeovate like separated, and I think Top Step is getting away with or going away from Rhythmic too. I think like the only way you're gonna be able to trade is through like their Top Step X platform or something like that, right? Is that true? FTMO paid me 26K in June. Woo! Good shit. That's a sick, all in one payout. Damn, that's a sick month. Congratulations. My biggest month is only like 14K or something. Which is still good, but like, no, I got them bi-weekly. I got you. So what are you doing for taxes? I don't know if you were here earlier when I was talking about I just started like setting up my LLC and stuff. Have you done that? I don't remember if you said you were making, because clearly like now you're gonna have to, like if you're starting to make some decent money, you're actually gonna have to like worry about taxes and shit or like what you're doing. Yes, you have an LLC, or you're in the process of setting one up, or? My best friend is accountant, so it's easy. I got you. Do you have one set up? We didn't break orb. Orb. Yeah, we are just. We are all the way up. Nothing can stop us. I'm all the way up. I mean, Jesus. Jesus. I made a. Oh, it makes me not FOMO and easily see the chat. Yeah, makes sense. I recorded a video yesterday. I don't know if I'm gonna post it or not. I didn't even watch it back because then I went over the lady's house, but I'm gonna see if it's worth posting at all. It was just me talking about like discretionally trading now and like just that I gotta pay out or whatever. It wasn't a long video, but I don't know. Maybe I'll retake it if I don't like it or not make one at all, but we'll see. So I might post one today. Nvidia's right at a pivot point. Oh, that's what I'm missing. QQQ. Forget to put up the QQQ. Not gonna lie, Mike, this music goes hard. If your non-copyrighted house music goes hard. Music's kind of gay, but it's okay. Mike's gay. Feels bad. Alright. Alright. I deserve that. We gotta have a fucking red boner candle of death at some point, right? What is this? Dude, the buy and hold method. Just buy here, long. How many points is that? From the 680s to the 800s. I could have grabbed 120 points. From where my first entry.
We've been so grindy lately, I feel.
Yeah. How much money did I lose yesterday? I lost 209 yesterday. Damn. I'm not even gonna make that back today. Shit! Now I gotta trade more. It's like jazz house music or something. Or like, what is it? It's like bagpipes. And the grind continues.
I don't want to get long up here, Mike.
trying to make money and get an R8 to have my dog proud of me. Your dog? This is it. This is what I want. This is my favorite car. I think these are sick. And obviously everybody wants like a fucking SVJ or something like that, but I just love matte black. Very good. Actually, what I really should be looking at, I want to buy a laptop. That's half the reason I'm making an LLC right now. No, not half the reason. I know I should, but I want to buy a laptop, but I just want to be able to write it off. Is there any good laptop recommendations? And I want like monitor screens with it. Yeah, like something like that. Where it's like if a Mac and it's why you want a Mac? No, I don't want a Mac. I definitely don't want a Mac.
Your favorite TV shows are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
Have you been
Like this would be the long you would try to get in here, and then it would just fucking reverse.
There's
Like, oh, it's breaking out of the top of all these wicks.
Something catastrophic.
Get Crunchyroll, Max, Paramount Plus, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV.
You jumped out of my dreams, pretty eyes so wise and pristine. I couldn't ask for more than the day you came to my door. Open eyes, cause I couldn't believe that you were right in front of me. Feeling pushed right through my heart. Fireworks lit right from the start. Got me on cloud nine. Feeling more than just fine. Just forget about the time. Cause I want you now and forever. Jumped out of my dreams, pretty eyes so wise and pristine. I couldn't ask for more than the day you came to my door. Open eyes, cause I
Good morning, bro. Good morning, Nor. No trades so far this week for me. Damn, really? That was the old me. I feel ya. And what? I mean, it's a short week, so you literally only have tomorrow to take a trade. That's tragic. I took a couple. Way down here. I grabbed this long early, gave some back here, then break even, and then made a little bit here. But we're green, so just this grindy price action is just. You're streaming tomorrow, Mike? Let me find a. Is the market open tomorrow? fuck is this? Oh, I'm on Google Shopping? I didn't even know that was a thing. Yeah. Okay. NFP tomorrow? Oh, is it because there's a holiday on a Friday, so they made the NFP. Yeah, I'll be on. I'll be streaming. Not Friday. Normally NFP's on Fridays, but if the market's gonna be closed, because the market's closed for. Yeah, that's probably why it's tomorrow. There's your red boner candle of death. That just stops out everybody being on. That's the problem when you get too grindy higher. It just happens every time, I swear. We're still so overextended. Like, even if we continue the uptrend, we could probably pull back all the way to like the 730s, 720s before we go. Is tomorrow half day? I don't think so. Fuck was that drop? Should we even trade? Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure like tomorrow's just gonna be like a normal regular day. This is what happens. I swear, Nora, this is always what happens. When you grind either higher or lower, you just get met with like a giant selling candle or a giant buying candle for grinding lower. Like, I said it like back here. I was like, we're gonna get the fucking big red boner candle of death, and there you go. There it is. What is that? I mean, 8, 10 to... It's funny because that looks huge. But it's only 30 points. Like, we literally had candles that used to be like fucking 100 points every candle. It was crazy. You know, like 60 points was like normal. Minute 100-point candles, literally. Meant to be working and not expecting anything for the rest of the day. See you tomorrow. Alright, peace on R. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, I'm not really expecting anything either.
What, tomorrow?
I hate these grindy days.
Wow. Today leg fail or shoulder fail? What did we do last time? We did calf raises? Yeah, so we gotta do a shoulder fail. that was a shoulder fail, like till failure. Yeah, like for our last workout of every gym session, we just do like a set of failure of whatever, like, so it's like, since we do like a push pull legs type thing where you do like pushes, like, or like I do more of a push pull legs, Johnny does like it inversed or whatever. Like I do like chest and tris, back and bis, and then legs and shoulders, so it's like every other time I go in, so it's like chest, it's like a chest fail, I'll start with triceps, so I'll do like tricep chest, tricep chest, tricep chest, and then my last chest set will just be like, we'll do like it's just like a drop set, and then you just like keep going until you can't. It helps determine like what you do first too. That's why you have to like know it going in, because then it's like, well, if I'm supposed to do a bicep fail, that means I have to do a bicep workout second, not first. Coming up on a pivot point on the QQQ here. I don't hate this long up to the pivot point on the QQQ because I think we get there. Oh, Jesus. Actually, we're just about at it. Yeah, we just touched it. It's like 7 points I could have grabbed. Me and my sis did the same thing, yeah. We're going 850s. It looks. It's at 850s.
Your
He
favorite
has
TV
right at a
shows are on
pivot.
YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
Have you been paying attention at all?
Next tie. I don't know, we'll see.
There's something bigger going on in Metropolis.
I'm gonna take my L on the market today. I'm not gonna sleep. Do you just wake up, trade, and then go back to bed every day? It's kind of baller. I don't know if we go to the 850s, honestly. I feel like this is a point. Not like I'm the best reversal picker, but definitely could see a reversal from here. Maybe I'll call it here too, because this is just pain. I'm up on the day. I did the same thing yesterday, gave it back right around now, and like the trend on the other way. Trying to like get in on like one last fucking push higher, and that ended up being the reverse. It
Not
didn't,
even
actually, it didn't even reverse actually, yeah.
It just
Just
felt
got
like
chopped
this.
up. Yeah. Def less momentum here though, yeah. I was thinking about getting long when it came back and pushed above his, because it was probably just like a trap and then a go. But I was like, eh. It's just so overextended. This would be like the one I would try to get in on right here. Like, alrighty, let's try it. Like, Nvidia's absolutely ripping right now again. coward. Video is pumping. Get above these wicks. I love this guy here. Bull flag. Alright, at 11 o'clock, that 1050 macro, as the kids say. VIX being low makes this much more painful to hold. Yeah, 16.77, yeah. It's like the lowest volume on the day right now, which does make sense, obviously. Do you look at the VIX a lot, FFs? I just started looking at it. I like it. I like it for a nice gauge. I have it on one of my monitors. I have it next to NVIDIA. I gotcha. Oh, God. I know how this goes. I get off at fucking right now, and then in 4 minutes this thing like shows the most bullish momentum of all time and fucking rips the high. Sell? Well, Raven the reversal catcher. Get above this guy. Fucking buy. Here we go. Here's the buying pressure coming in. Is there a reason Cheryl stop trying the fan, fighting the trend? I've tried to tell her. Well, not really, I haven't really tried, but like long this. It's above like this wick. Did you build the night of bull flying? Minute looks like I could flip this candle and hammer.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Still there on the scalp. Maybe a little too much of a scalp.
Oh.
Don't miss.
See if I just
WNBA
waited and then
season
put my stop
live
here at the
with
bottom
YouTube
wick.
TV. Terms
Maybe I
apply.
should have done that. I don't like how fucking Ninja Trader. Oh my god. Is there a way to get a clock on Ninja Trader? So I don't have to look at TradingView for it. Wish I knew the candle wasn't gonna close in a second.
I just use my phone.
Yeah, I don't have to look down or look away or whatever. Damn, it'd still be in right now at the 22s. Would be my stop if that was the case. Then I'd be waiting for this to be a down wick. Alright, then I'd probably just go there just for 28, so it would have been a 15 to 28, so that would have been like a 13-point move as opposed to a 15 to 18. Fuck. Yes, there is FFs. There is a way to put a clock on Ninja Trader. Is that what you're saying yes to, or did I say something else? Yeah, worst case scenario, say I didn't drag it there, which I probably would have if I was already up that much, and we just fucking took out the high, but 15 to, it was like 28. Or worst case scenario would be 15 to 22, which is 7 points. You have to Google how to set it up, or timer. Yes to the... Oh, is it complicated? Or not complicated, but...
Oh, that would have came all the way down, wicked you out, and then shut back up.
Well, I said I would have dragged my stop when it was at like 28 because it already looked like it put in the bottom wick. But even if I didn't, which I probably would have, but even just leaving it at the bottom, still would have captured 4 more points on it. That's 80 bucks. 160 in my take profit trader. Trading 2 coins. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Thank you, FFs. Yeah, you can just throw it on.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, just hit right click, go to indicators, and then scroll down until you see bar timer, and then just add and apply. The song is a banger. Were you trash talking the songs earlier? What's the mix? I just typed in non-copyrighted house music and there was a playlist. Deep house music, no copyright. No, just awesome songs. Is it really loud or no? Is it fine? Oh, there's another break higher. Can you break me higher? The 32s up there to the 42s. Get out of this. What the fuck is that? Usually when you're scalping, you want to hold at least price spreads. The next higher low, so you don't have FOMO, if that makes sense. I don't really get FOMO. Like, it sucks, but like, I've never reacted off of FOMO. I'm just like, oh fuck, that sucks, but like, oh well. Especially if previous candle didn't have wick, you know. I mean, I didn't even hold. Yeah, I was just fucking. Well, I'm like afraid of when they don't have wicks. I feel like it's gonna come down and make a wick, but maybe not. And push right off and then go. This one here, push right off and then go. This one, push right off, go, push right off, go, push right off, go. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a fucking big fat bitch. Oh, now I gotta go on TradeMate and add up my fucking things because it's being gay. But, I think that's going to be it. Watching AI cat videos.
Nice.
What is an? There's plenty of regular cat videos. What is an AI cat video? Okay, I'm gonna add up all these. $81.50. What's it? $81.50 to $93.50. So is that 12 points? Bought at 722, 22.25, sold at 15.75. What is that? That's 6.5, minus 6.5. What the fuck am I writing on? Oh my god, I'm a retard. I'm writing on the wrong thing. Try it again. 21.25, 21.25. Let's see. Break even, and then 18, 25, 20, 50. What's that? 2.25 points. And then 1550 to 18 is. So what is 1550? To 18. So got 2.5 points. Let's see. That's 4, 8, 6.25. Wait, did I do that math right? Wait, I'm retarded. 12. 6.5 minus 2.5 is 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 plus 2.25 is 10. Okay, that was painful. Thank you, bless you. I'm gonna watch Baddies now later. Okay, have fun. Alrighty. Let me get out of here. Let me see if my daily dollar is ready. I don't know if it is. I feel like I got it late yesterday.
I got to $4. Then
Yeah,
I went to
that'll be-
dice, bet $1, lost, bet $2, lost, bet the dollar, lost.
Yeah, you suck. Alright, I'm out of here. Peace out. Congratulations on 20 fucking 8 trades in a row, FFs. I'll be on tomorrow.